Welcome to Computer Class 2, Lesson 5, Mouse and Input Device. My dear children, in this chapter we will be discussing about mouse and its type, flipping the right and left button of the mouse and the function of the mouse button. So let us move to the explanation of the chapter now. First of all, you now know well that the mouse is an input device which is small in size and it is attached to the CPU. The computer mouse somewhat looks like a real mouse. The wire, which seems to be the tail of the computer mouse, is connected with the CPU. Mouse has two buttons. The left side of the button is called left button and the right side of the button is called right button, and below it you will find a pad called Mousepad. And by clicking the left button and the right button, you can move the pointer and draw pictures on the computer screen. So by left click and the right click, you can move the pointer and draw the pictures on the computer screen. Now comes the Mousepad. Children, you must have seen the Mousepad in our computer lab, right? The pad on which we move the mouse is known as Mousepad, and when we move the mouse on the Mousepad, arrow-like pointer also moves, and this pointer is known as mouse pointer. There are different types of mouse pointer. For example, two buttons mouse and scroll mouse, which we often see or given in your book also. It is displayed here on the screen too. So scroll mouse, it has a scroll wheel in the middle of the left and the right button, and by moving it we can move page up and page down. Now again, the scroll mouse is of two types, ball mouse and optical mouse. The ball mouse has a ball under it which is clearly shown in the picture, and with the help of this ball you can use the mouse pointer on the screen and to move it, and in this optical mouse which is shown in the right side bottom, in place of ball you can see the light. So this optical mouse uses the light for movement of the mouse pointer. Now, holding and moving the mouse. Dear children, just see the position of the fingers, how you should hold and move the mouse, and simultaneously you have to watch the movement of the pointer on the screen too. The way to hold the mouse properly is shown in the picture. Place your palm on the mouse, hold it with your thumb and the last two fingers, and now place your index finger on the left button and the middle finger on the right button. And this is how you can move the mouse easily on the mouse pad, so that the movement of the pointer should be perfect and smooth. Dear children, it just needs practice, and then you will enjoy and have fun while moving your mouse in a proper way. Okay. Now comes the function of the mouse button, and this I will teach you in the next session. You just go through the chapter that I have taught you till now, given on page number 46 and 47, and the rest of the topics we will go through it in the next session. Okay. Till then, take care. Thank you. Stay safe.